My name is Marsha Mejia. I'm the leader of Hanigi Waguburigu cultural group, proud teacher of Belice Community Primary School, and I believe I am a Garifuna activist in Dangriga. Hanigi Waguburigu. It means our parents' heart. The group was formed in 2019, basically to participate in the Battle of the Drums competition, but later on, we expanded into a cultural group that do other stuff within the community. We perform at special events, traditional Garifuna drumming. Wanaragua is traditionally it's a male dance where the males would gather around Christmas time with their family. There's different Wanaragua stories out there. Yeah, we're not only in Belize, we're in Honduras, Guatemala, you have Garinago all over, so every Wanaragua has its own story behind it.
Many times when you speak of Wanaragua, people would say, it's the mocking of the slave master. The Garinagu were never enslaved. It was a mockery of a system because we don't identify ourselves with that system. In Belize, we had a British experience. So the face would be what a British man would look like after being exposed to the sun over a period of time. The crown has feathers, and these feathers takes us back to our Amerindian ancestry. The shells would be that which would create the effect of 50, 60, 100 men on march. Through the crown and dressing as military, using the colors of the church. So we're using our body movement now to show that the laws of our people is supreme to that which you try to impose on us.
Yes, different Wanaragua groups, we compete to be Habinaha Wanaragua senior champs. We are the reigning champion from last year rather, and then the competition is coming up again in December. To be the champ, it takes practice, teamwork, and of course our fans, because they also make a difference when we're on the stage and they cheer for us. Yes.
Been dancing Wanaragua for 6 years. Extremely exciting. I enjoy watching it, and I said one day I would love to do it for a competition.
Well, I've been singing since I was 13 years old. The people around me encourage me. They teach me the songs, and from since then, fell in love. A lot of people say the culture is dying, but if we spread the word, if we get the kids, teach them the songs, that's what the culture will never die.
The feeling I get when young people are involved with preserving the culture, especially the music and the dance, is one that I am not sure how to explain as yet, but I see the need for their involvement so that we ensure the survival of our Garifuna music and dance. It has not been easy. I've had breaking moments where I just want to throw in the towel, but when I think about Garifuna surviving for the next umpteen years, it is important that we get them involved. So despite all the challenges that I have, I still try to stay strong.
We want the younger generation to be able to know that our ancestors have been resisting a long time ago. We have a system also. And when you build a strong foundation, doesn't matter where they go. They have something that they can come back to, that can hold them and that can ground them.
I would like to ask that the Garifuna people try their best to learn about our culture, every aspect of our culture, not only the Wanaragua. And to those who are not Garifuna, we have to be appreciative of every culture. We make up a portion of this world, I won't say this country, this world, and wherever you go there will be mixed cultures, but that shouldn't stop us from embracing each other's culture and respecting it.